Hello, Diamond, my old friend. I've come to study here again, because even the softest peeping breaks my focus when I'm reading my possessions to establish my domain. Still remain within my spot in Diamond. No study group, I work alone. Hidden soup I brought from home. Neath the halo of a small lamp, midst books protected from the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of some fresh sunlight, I spent the night within my space in Diamond.
And through the window there I saw annoying people I abhor. Undergraduates across the street, being stupid and frolicking. Hipsters singing songs, but I don't even care. No one dares disturb the sound of silence.
Two turnstiles and a door, I dwell on the lower floor. Among these books in Japanese, that's a language I cannot read. And that wheel is just a replica that's nailed to the wall in Diamond. And these people's busts and bronze, more familiar than my mom's.
And the sign says keep it pest-free, use a valid CUID. And the sign said this room houses the International Law Collection.
Signs are cell phones as you enter the bowels of Diamond.